Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my another tutorial. Today I'm going to make a paracord butterfly. Okay, it's a paracord butterfly, but I'm going to make it into a paracord butterfly card holder. Like this. Okay, let's begin. We need 2 times 70 cm paracord 4 mm thickness, and we also need 120 cm 2 mm thickness cord. We need roller, scissors, and lighter. Okay, let's start by making a butterfly. Okay, it's the center of the card. Fold into half, then fold, the other side as well. Okay, like that. Okay, then this one bring here. Okay, it's on top. Okay, here, and then this one bring to the right. Okay, then go through this loop from behind, then goes through here, the right side, top right side, then go to the center from behind, center loop, then bring here, then goes through this loop on the right side bottom, then this one goes to here, then go to this loop on your left side, then go to this center loop from behind, then to the left side bottom loop. Okay, here. Okay, that's it. So now pull this and this, tighten it. Okay, this one is long, so what you can do is just pull it. You have to make this one. I'm going to make so many adjustments because I have to measure it. Make sure it's the size is the same as the other one. Okay, I have to make this about 5 cm, and this one 7, this one about 6, just enough for the cards to fit in. Okay, I have to make some adjustments. Pull this one, pull, okay, we have to measure this. I have to make sure this is 5 cm. 5, okay, and this one is 7, just enough for the size of the card. Okay, 7, and this one you have to make some cuttings later, so I need about 6. So yeah, it's 6, so I have to cut it later. So what I do, so that this won't come loose, the knot, I'm going to glue it. Okay, to secure the nut so the loop won't come out. Okay. Okay, you have to wait until it's dry. Okay, I have to wait until it's dry. So yeah, I already did one earlier. I already did one butterfly ahead of time so that the video okay, I think it's right. So this will be the outside, the loop on top. This will be the outside part of the card holder. So I'm going to connect them together and tie this with the other cord. Start from here. We're going to make, I'm going to make fiber house. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, here. Go through this loop. Tighten. Pull it not so tight. Okay. Then before I cut that one, you have to make sure it's in the center. Side. Okay, that's good. So now I cut this and then pull this. Just a little bit. Okay. That's it. That's not enough. Then cut this. Then knot. You have to do both sides. Both sides. Okay, last one. Two. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Make some adjustments. Make sure it's in the center of the edge. seam. Okay, then going to connect this. Okay. See? So now I'm going to repeat this again. About 6 or 7 rounds. Okay. The whole thing here. Okay, I'm going to make it 8 rounds. Okay. Okay, we need pliers help. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have the card holder now. Okay. Okay, you can just hang it on your bag. See that? The card actually won't drop. Yeah. Okay, you can just put a key ring. You can put the ring and hang it on your bag, or you can just attach it to your lanyard. Okay. Yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my tutorial of the Paracord card holder. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please comment what do you think of my videos. I hope you like it. Please comment, like and share, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much everyone.